See the peeps. Nice jaguar secret. Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Subscribe.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
But you know, the last month, Mr. Zalanda Popo is actually what I know.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. You look at 9 by 20.
So don't look up now. We're not giving people what go on with their this adventure, catch some fish and cook up some fish dinner and all that, you know. Yeah man, so see what can go on. Make sure you send a like up the video and leave in the comment and tell me what you think about the video and all that. And share it out, help me grow. Yeah man, peeps. So I'm spin the camera now and show them how I go on. See them peeps, this one secret location, you know. Private property. Yeah man, one fish pan here. One here so. One here so. And some more down there so, you know. Yeah man. Push them out there. Them green something there. Now for water, I kill them.
Where to find my man?
Where are you coming from?
My people part me free of them.
Pick it up.
This. So we do it.
Daddy, show the pony.
I think I see 2 one time though.
I'm going to take on the head. Move on the spot here.
Love him.
Just to check it, take my car to complete and you take it. 8 o'clock.
I take it in land.
Don't throw back there again, sir. Sure.
My God. Daddy, you gotta find the one day. Yeah. 2. Okay.
I'm going to just walk in a bucket and put water in it. You get joking in your eye.
Yeah, get into.
Yeah, come start.
That's good you want.
What is it? So then skill.
Double
trouble.
I'm here alone now today.
I like you don't say me man.
Something going on.
But in free of it.
Check it.
I'm not going for me today, I start today.
Check it. The man don't get a fish one in there.
I'm not that feed them look like. Kept teeth and budgeting to catch this. So I'm going to back there. Soon show them my catch. Yeah man, so I'm going there. About 5 kind of fish this or more. Same size here guys, nice as them. I'm not gonna say they're small now. Them there knife and long, about 2 years now. Now get no feeding. So a nice jaguar cichlid here. Or predator. Yeah man. Yes peeps. I'm showing them my catch. Or our catch, my father catch. In a minute. Yeah. Really get to catch some fish, you know. Now first half, I didn't catch none. All I do feed them look like. I'm finally redeem myself and catch some. Catch about 10 pounds. Be about almost 10 pounds. At one point, my father and brethren, they didn't catch none and I catch them. Yeah man. So I go home now, clean him up and I cook up next Sunday. Yeah man. So fish and rice and peas. Feeding today. I'm assuming I can find some June plum and make some June plum juice. That is it. So make sure, so guys, when you like the video, comment and tell me what you think about fish them. I say, they didn't for a long time, about 2 years now, they did not get the feed. Them are dead off. As I show you, some things are covered off the top of the water, so them are dead. So catch them out. Yeah man, catch as much as possible and eat. Kind of, since I have them out, yes. Yeah man, I'm showing the catch now. So I'm showing how I catch now. See the peeps. Nice jaguar cichlid. Them here guys invasive. Them fish here eat the red one them and the perch them. Them not eat for them baby, you know, or for them kind, you know, but they eat other fish. Yeah man, so this is a catch. So please, I'll go and clean the fish now, you know. Feed them up and they will link up because I'm not sure how I do them yet. But most likely I fried because they're kind of small. Guys, before the knife was in beetroot here, so I pick it and roast it and fire people roast when I fish them, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, please, so throw on the beetroot on the fire, you know. Yeah man. See there. So when beetroot done roast, checking back with you guys and me just throw on the fish on the fire second time. Yeah man peeps, so it's a while going on, you know. Man take some fire on the beetroot and fish beetroot go and soak. God don't want to burn up, you know. Alright. So I'll get the fish sort out now. Peeps, so this is a fish, right? I'm gonna use all this though. 1, 2 or 3 of them, right? And I use cabbage, one pepper, scallion and thyme, you know, and piece of plantain. Something simple for the people. Simple and easy. Maggi season, salt and this. some coconut powder. Something simple and easy. And my file paper. Alright peeps, so I cabbage this right with skeleton and thyme and the pepper and the plantain cut up with salt and season on it. So time now fi wrap the fish now and them thing there. Alright, time for the fish. Coconut powder. Yeah man peeps, I fish this, so when it finish was, my link gonna show you the finished product. Yeah man peeps, that's what I'm going here now. 2 little fish. 1, 2, yeah. And breadfruit. So just the paper now. Then the potato I go on now, you know. Here's the fish. Put a little bit more salt, but it's good. See the people, we done it now. Yeah man, really enjoy it, but them full of board now. Though, them fish fry crisp and with bread because them smaller fries them. Yeah man, so thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.